Hello and welcome to Mental Wellness with me, Cindy. The end of the year is fast approaching, and with it comes an opportunity to reflect on 2019. What has gone well, what could have gone better, and what just did not work. Setting goals and having a plan generally around how you're going to execute any project, like this year's family Christmas party, had to throw it in there. I love Christmas. So you stay on budget and have enough to eat and drink on the day will work better with a plan. Not everything else might go to plan on that day, but those things will. On a more serious note, having a plan for your life and the goals you want to achieve in 2020 will help you define the full scope of what you want to achieve. It will also help you stay focused, set goals and objectives, meet deadlines, measure success, and it will help you with time management as you'll be able to prioritize what is important to you to achieve first. So if your goal or resolution is weight loss, which is a very common goal for a lot of us, then having a plan will enable you to be clear about how much weight you want to lose, the best way to lose the weight, the resources and the lifestyle changes required for that to happen, and a realistic time frame in which this will happen, so you're prepared right from the start and you don't have unrealistic expectations about how much weight you're going to lose. If your goal is buying a house, then a plan will help you with deciding the house that you can afford and where that house is and how much it will cost and how much you will need to save to enable you to buy that house. If your goal is to start a business, then having a plan will enable you to know what type of business you want to start, the startup cost, the niche market, the time you will need to put in to get that business going, your statutory responsibilities of registering that business, how much it costs and what's involved with that. If your goal is mental wellness, then a plan will help you to identify where you are now and the different strategies that you need to employ on a regular basis to get you to where you need to go. A plan will enable you to do the research that you need so that you are realistic about how long it's going to take to do it. A plan will also help you to stay consistent, but don't get bogged down with the planning. Don't get caught up in the detail to the point it puts you off. Plan in a way that works for you, and good luck. Happy planning.